Hey growers, what's up? It's Lucas. The race to get things planted has begun, and I want to show you what's going on with my half-acre vegetable garden so far. I planted the pumpkins first on May 24th. Since pumpkins are very sensitive to cool temperatures, I really should have waited until later, but the seedlings were starting to get a little crowded in the trays, and they would wilt every day if I didn't water them. I spaced them out based on how many seedlings of each variety I had, and also on the spacings recommended in my seed catalog. My family was super helpful with this, as they helped me plant and water the pumpkin patch. You might be wondering, Lucas, how in the name of Mike are you going to be watering this half acre? First, I place a 250-gallon tank in the box of my dad's 2020 Tacoma. I then proceed to fill the tank with water from a tap in my garage. What is this yellow gunk? I wish I could tell you. It's disgusting. The guy that I bought this tank from said that it was some sort of organic fish fertilizer and claimed that it would be good for the garden. But I'm more than a little skeptical. I tried rinsing it out, but most of it just stayed stuck on the bottom. So yeah, it's disgusting, but hopefully it's harmless. Anyway, once the tank is filled to where I need it, I shut off the tap, remove the hose, and attach it to a submersible pump. Then I put the pump into the tank and plug it into the 120 volt outlet on my dad's truck. I gather up the hose and stuff it into the box. Finally, I attach a spray nozzle and I'm all set to go. Once I'm at the farm with the tank, I drive through the center aisle and stop near the rows I need to irrigate. With the truck in park, I activate the receptacle and the pump begins to do its work. The connection point was leaking because the tube had a crack in it. I think the proper connection point came off and someone who had the pump before jimmy-rigged it, and now I have to fix it. At this point, I'm thinking I'm a real hoser because this hose will be a huge pain to haul around, not to mention all the kinks. Now it's time to water these pumpkins. They sure look like they need a good drink. Okay, let's do some quick math here. With about 1,500 plants and giving them a conservative amount of a gallon of water per week, this would work out to 1,500 gallons a week. So 1,500 divided by 250 is 6, meaning I would need to go to the farm and back with a completely full tank 6 times a week to completely water the garden. Realistically, I should probably only have the tank half full because water is heavy and it severely weighs down the truck. I'm all for hard work, but that's just way too much for one guy to do. Having a point where I could attach an automated drip irrigation system would make this a cinch, but that's just not in the budget this year. So what am I going to do? I'm not so sure yet, but make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to find out. I've still got a ton of plants to get in the ground and a long road to the harvest. I'm Lucas from LucasGrowsBest, and I'll see you next time.